Hello there, lovely people. I just uploaded the first video and I noticed that I edited out the part where I explained positive and negative emotions na nagdadala sa atin sa magkaibang vibration or frequency. So here they are. Ano nga ba yung mga negative emotions na nagdadala sa atin sa low vibration? Ayan yung anger, fear, shame, guilt, grief, envy, at scarcity. Yan. And yung positive emotions naman, ito yung being happy, inspired, excited, when you are in a creative mode, at kapag puno ng love or pagmamahal ang puso mo. Yan yung mga nagdadala sa atin sa high vibrational frequency. At kapag nasa high vibration tayo, napakadali sa atin ma-attract yung mga bagay na inaasam talaga ng puso natin, yung deepest desires natin. I'm not saying na if you're going through challenges, dedma ka lang or ignore mo yung nararamdaman mo. I'm not saying that. Kapag nasa sitwasyon ka na nakakagalit, magalit ka, sumigaw ka, express yourself. Kapag naman malungkot ka or nasasaktan ka, sige lang, iiyak mo lang yan. Acknowledge your feelings. Don't judge it. Kasi kasali yan sa mga pinagdadaanan ng isang human. Yeah. However, hindi tayo dapat magpadaig or magpatalo sa mga nararamdaman natin yan. Tapos nanamnamin natin siya ng matagal na panahon. After you cry, after you scream, yung feeling mo nalabas mo na yung emotions mo, it's time to focus on solutions. It's time to look for the brighter side of that situation. Anong lesson yung tinuro sa'yo nito? Kasi kung ganyan yung mindset na meron tayo, yung iisipin natin na hindi maganda yung pinagdadaanan natin, mahirapan talaga tayo. We have to see it as challenges or lesson learned. And if you think that way, mas magiging madali sa atin ma-overcome yung feelings na yan. So, kung nasa point ka naman na hindi mo talaga siya kayang labanan or ma-overcome, yung negatibong nararamdaman mo, may paraan naman para at least kumalma yung sistema mo. Hindi ka man makaangat agad sa high vibration, at least madala mo yung energy mo sa center. And you can do it by breath exercise. Yung marahan na inhale and exhale. Okay, yung ganito, yung yeah. Before, I'm not taking it seriously. Akala ko charot-charot lang yan. Pero when I tried it, grabe. That's the best thing to do. Kapag ano man yung pinagdadaanan mo. To ground your energy and calm your senses. Tapos, huwag ka munang mag-isip after breath exercise. Huwag ka munang mag-isip for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Quiet your mind. Pray, meditate, surrender everything to God. And ask help from God. Walang masama din. Ask assistance to your guardian angels, to spirits. Pag ginawa mo yan, you will find peace inside. And papapansin mo na lang solutions will come, ideas will come, blessings will come. Hindi mo namamalayan kasi nasa high vibration ka na tayo. I hope this helps. And see you lovely people in the next video. Ang susunod ay yung favorite ko, yung spiritual way to explain manifestation. Yeah, see you in the next video. Sending you love and light.